Ingliz tilini 6 ga o'qiyotgan shogirdlarda bular. Inglizini 6 ga o'qiydi. Tayyormizmi? What's your name?
My name is Dasha.
What's your surname?
My surname is Shukratov.
What's your last name?
My last name is Shukratov.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What's your age?
My age is 10.
Okay, where from?
My from is Uzbekistan.
E?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Samarkand region, not a district.
Okay, what's your hobby?
My hobby is football.
Okay, Odinjan, what's your name?
My name is Tom.
What's your surname?
My surname is Barat.
What's your last name?
My last name is Barat.
How old are you? I am
I am
9.
9 years old.
Okay, what's your age? My age is?
My age is 9.
Okay, where from?
I am from Uzbekistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Samarkand.
Okay. Muhtinjon, Abbakirjon, what's your name?
My name is Abu Bakr.
What's your surname?
My surname is Shukrat.
What's your last name?
My
Last name is?
last name is Shukrat.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Okay. Where from?
Where from?
I'm from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
I'm from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
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 Yeah. Where do you live?
I live Samarkand.
Region?
Region, Nurabad district, Boshqada
Village.
village.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Jawahar.
Jawahar. Try to speak louder. Qattiqroq gapir. What's your name?
My name is Jawahar.
Okay, what's your surname? My surname is?
My surname is Khushwaqt.
Khushvaqtov. How old are you?
My
How old are you? Qara Azim opang javob beryapti. How old are you? Qanaqa javob beryapti? How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Ana, how old are you?
I am years old.
Qanaqa years old? 9 mi, 10 mi? I am
I am
9
9
years old. Okay, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Ana,
I'm
where are you from?
Uzbekistan.
Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Samarkand region, Khushabad district, Timurhanum village.
Where do you live? Yarim tushunmayapti. Tayog'ingizda tushunadi-da. Muqdim, where do you live?
I live in
Samarkand.
Samarkand.
Where do you live? I live in?
I live in Samarkand.
Umrida ingliz tili o'qimaganda bu, umrida. Xo'p, Azima, what's your age?
My age is 11.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is chess.
Okay. Do you like mathematics or English? Which one do you like more? Mathematics or English? Maths or English? Which one? Both of them? Okay. Do you like father or mother? Between your father and mother, which one do you like more?
I like more my father.
Father, okay. Because your father gives you money. What's your name?
My name is Dilruk.
Dilruk. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What's your age?
My age is 10.
Okay, good job. Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Samarkand.
How many members in your family? How many members in your family? Listen, how many members in your family?
A lot of
A lot of 5, 6, 7. Azima, how many members in your family?
My family members are four.
How many
My family members
are?
are five.
Okay, good job, bro. Irkatoyim, kichkintoyim. What's your name?
My name is Mubina.
Mubina, try to speak louder. Qattiqroq gapiring. What's your name?
My name is Mubina.
What's your surname?
My surname is Norboyeva.
Norboyeva. How old are you? Dilrok, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where from?
I am from Uzbekistan.
Okay, where do you live? Where do you live? Dilrok?
I live in Saman.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Saman.
Okay, good job. Bu yerda 6 ga o'qiganlardan ingliz tilini Abbakir bilan Javohir bo'lyapti.